Morning there, bird. You're just singing away. Well, still raining today, so that's okay. But I picked this up at the store, and figured I need it to get myself motivated. It says yummy on it, so it must be good. But that'll be my breakfast. Get me firing all 8 cylinders. Okay, so plan today. Is getting the lower valance. I looked up the term because for some reason my mind decided to fry like scrambled eggs and couldn't think of it yesterday, but we're gonna put that on today. So okay, game plan, here we go. This stuff is not sponsored, but it's not bad if you need firing all 8 cylinders in a Jeep. So let's look at the fine modification craftsmanship here. It's factory ready, Let's get on. Okay, we have 7/16 to take these bolts out, and some penetrating oil, better known as come off juice. So here we go. Alright, come off juice engaged. So I'm going to put some come off juice on these bolts here. That way, when they break, at least they'll be clean. That's important. So got 2 right here. I'll get you guys in here. You got 2 right there. I soaked down, and hopefully they come off nice. I don't know. We'll find out. No. Come on now. Well, we'll start with your buddy up here. Yes. All right, now soak this down. She's coming, but she's slow. All right. I'm gonna spray her down again. Crank, spray. There we go. So now we'll spray this one down. Get this off. For all you that don't know, these are how cars are held together. It's a clip with a thread on one side and this side is what puts the down pressure. Okay, so before I put it on here, I do want to show you this, just in case you people want to know, well, how do these actually hold on. This is what they do. So if you got one of these, clip it on the plastic part, not the fender, the plastic part. And then when the part is mounted up, this goes through the fender onto this side here. Now you could, if you really wanted to, put it this way on the fender and then put the bolt through this way. The only problem with that is that this plastic, you put enough torque on it, well, it'll break. Which over here is exactly what someone did. When I took this off, someone put it in reverse. So they put this on the fender because it was actually longer clips. You can get longer ones. So someone got a longer one, put it on the fender, and then clipped it on there. But that's what happened. As soon as I went to back it out, it was broke. So that's just such a shame. But yeah, that's what happens when people get a bright idea and they do, you know, things that sometimes have to be done the correct way. Otherwise, you're just gonna end up like that side there. So to put these on, you just slide it on here until you hear it click. Might not have heard that, but it did. And there you go. It's on. So we'll do it on the other side. Do it on the gooder side. Hear that? It's on there. So they ain't going nowhere. In theory, anyway. We haven't bolted it up yet to find out where spots want to go. Good news is though, the side is busted off here. Well, it doesn't have nothing to hold on to anyway, because the bracket is missing. So, you know, you ain't gotta worry about that. So that's okay. This right here, I might delete on it real quick. That way it's not, you know, flapping on the road. I don't know. But let's get at it. Okay, so got this tucked in here. Get the other hanger here situated on the bracket. Like so. It's tucked in there. That's fine. Now we're gonna start on this side, bolting them up to the fenders, and then we'll go to this side, and then we'll finish off on that side. All right. Now, this side, which should, in theory, be perfectly on center, but you know how that goes. See where that clip is. Clips on the lower one. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's your old. Look at that. That's that ain't going nowhere. Alright, there she is. Ain't she slick? Well, like Red Green always says, if the women don't find you handsome, at least they'll find you handy. So, you know, that's nice. Alright, that's it. So, if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Hit that notification bell. Later.